Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock, one-owner 2016 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 6,554 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes well equipped from Harley with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, navigation, cruise control, CB intercom connections, and reverse. Powered by Harley's reliable 103 cubic inch twin-cam motor with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE puts out 101 foot-pounds of torque at 3,250 RPM. With plenty of storage, spacious and comfortable accommodations, and ample protection from the elements, the TRIGLIDE offers the experience and thrills of Grand Touring motorcycles, but on the stability of 3 wheels. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.